Hey there, I cannot wait for you to dive into this video because it is so much fun. You can figure out how to make these really cool paint pans. They are super fun and I get complimented on them wherever I go. I can't wait for you to make them this summer. My name is Brandy Hofer. I'm an author, educator, mother, muralist, podcaster, and of course YouTuber. So like and subscribe if you'd love to join us for more content like this. And we can't wait for you to get into this video, paint some pants with us or jean jacket, whatever. Jean material works best. And we will go over all the materials that you need to fully understand and complete this project from start to finish. This sequence, if you go in to the bottom and follow that link, will lead you into a summer full of fun for our sketchbook project. Paint Pans is just a part of it. Every week you'll get a cue to join us in a experience in working in your sketchbooks, which is great if you're a creative, even if you are a parent and you can do this with your kids. It's a super fun thing we do every spring, and we take people through sketchbooking all summer. So thank you for being here, and yeah, let's go.
Welcome to creating paint pans with us. Be sure to sketch out your design and pattern on your sketchbook, or you can actually draw right on your material as well before you start. Right here, we're applying primer. It's really important because the primer adheres to the material as well as the paint, and that will make your design last as long as possible, and it will actually hold up in the wash. Make sure to delicately wash these by hand, and you can come in with all different colors and take these creations really far. It's totally up to you. You can get really realistic with it, or you can just do like blocking pattern, and then it can look more like a digital design that you would see on like a floral pattern on like Pinterest or a wall mural or something like that. We had a lot of fun. We did this to a few pairs of pants, and we did it to our summer jean shorts. We stuck with pastels because that's really fun and colorful for spring and summer. You can even take this same technique and apply it to Converse shoes, whatever it is. We want to see it. Make sure you're sharing in our free Color Me Happy community on Facebook. You can join there. We have a What You're Working On Wednesday, and we all celebrate what we're working on each week, and we share in one another's goals. So it's a great place to sit. You can tag us at Brandy Hofer Studios or at Color Me Happy Community on Instagram. That is where we sit, and you can share your fun, awesome creations as well. We actually take this project a little bit further with Posca pens. I know there's a lot of huge Posca pen fans out there. The only thing about adding the extra patterns and the colors with Posca pens is they do fade over time in the wash, so just be aware of that. We have a pair of pants that we've been wearing for years, and we just touch up the Posca every couple months when we wear them. It doesn't get on your other clothes or anything when you wash them. So we cannot wait for you to rock these really fun creations that you make. And thanks for being here. We appreciate you so much, and have the best summer ever. And make sure you're keeping up with your sketchbooks and you're keeping up with your fun summer projects and sharing in our Color Me Happy community.
Please know that you can always reach out at Brandy Hofer Studios on Instagram anytime, and be sure to check us out on YouTube at Brandy Hofer Studios Color Me Happy, where we are now pouring a lot of free tips and a lot of fun information, and every one of our podcasts on there. We also have our book, Color Me Happy, See Your Everyday Ordinary as Extraordinary, and our Color Me Happy community on Facebook, which is free to join, where we uplift members and we do member features as well as features our members on our Color Me Happy podcast. We can't wait to hear from you. Please share everything you're working on, and feel free to post in our Color Me Happy community any of your process shots or any questions you have for the group. We're happy to answer them in there as well. And we thank you so much for your time today. We sure do appreciate it, and have the most beautiful day. Thank you so much for being here.